So look at this. You can tell where the ground used to be. Well, at that little trail right there. Look how much it has risen. Like, look at that over there. The entire place is flooded over there up to the fire pit. Actually, the fire pit's gone. Flooded over the fire pit. Holy cow. I'm gonna walk over there because one of those things looks broken. And go look at it. Alright, I don't even see the spill drain anywhere over here. Like, that's just how high the water is. It's just covering it. I think it's like right there. But I don't see it. So, I'm gonna go look at the other side. See if you can see it there. Look at this. There's Butch. But like, look at that. It's an entire thing of water. Again. Like, I'm going fishing later, I know that. But like, look at all of that. Let's walk over there. Look at this. This is a river where a river's not supposed to be. Look at that. Goes from the lake at the lodge, all the way down to the lake. Puppies like it a lot. It's moving pretty fast. It's interesting. Look at that. It's a little stream all the way to there. The water drop is at the perfect height. I wish the ground wasn't wet, but you know, the water drops right. Look at that. Ain't that just awesome? Look, there's another little stream of water. Enoch's going for a swim. There's a stream of water though. Don't know how I'm gonna get across it without getting my shoes wet, but I am going to somehow. Right there. Good jump. Alright. Let the puppies play. Come on, children, this way. Come on, childrens. Come, childrens. Butch, come on. Butch, come. They're so cute. They're so cute. They're so cute. Go for a run. They were so cute. And Butch is digging. Alrighty, y'all. So I just got a little crappie jig. Brother's already fishing. But our lake has been overflowing for the past 2 days. So we're going to go and fish. And it's like every single cast we toss, we catch a fish. Well, except for Josh, because he's not as good as me. But, yeah. Alright. Cut. I'm not cutting. You can edit it. That was pretty far out, dude. Good job. You failed. Here you go. Oh my gosh, look, he bit off the tip of my tail. Okay, here. Watch this. Watch for the spinnerbait. Alright, go. Spinnerbait without thread. Toss your spinnerbait. We're running out of time. Running out of time, really? We have all the rest of the time. No, talk about the rest of the video. 60-second videos, bro. Oh. I thought the spinnerbaits were better. They are. This is a horrible cast. Oh my gosh. No, it's not. No, it's a small one. He goes, that's a big bass, son. I got another one. But this one, I've been casting this for like 5 minutes or so. Not 5 minutes, I guess. I don't know. But he has been having no tail. And it's just like...
John caused me to fall in the lake.
It caught me a fish.
John caused me to fall in the lake.
He's soaking wet. It's like 80... I'm just kidding. No, it's not. It's like maybe 50 or something degrees. But he was sitting on the fence and fell.
I was sitting right there. And John
He just fell. It was so funny. All right, look. I got another one. Hold on. Let me try to just reel him in a little bit better. Yeah, here. Right there. Ugh. Big boys. Well, he's tiny, I guess. Ugh. Tiny little boy. Hey, Josh, look at this. Fish lap. Me. You're just a wimp again if it hooks out. Yeah, that's not hard to get that out. Come on.
You want to do it?
I'm such a wimp. Hold the phone. Give me the fish one. 3. You're breaking his... Run! Run! I got fish hooks in my pocket. I can't run. So, this little guy's name is Tomathan. Yeah, it's a Tomathan. What do you think about Tomathan? He's going to go in this lake instead of that lake. Because my grandfather doesn't want him in that lake. So, Tomathan, going in this lake. Yeah. Hey, Josh, show everybody how you cast. Show them.
I cast normally.
Yeah, do it. Do it. Do it how you normally do. That is such a lie. Show everybody how the helicopter maneuver you invented. Either what is it? Slingshot. Oh, wow. Okay. All right, show us David's slingshot. He spins it there. And then he just opens the bill. And then it like catches a fish. If you're lucky.
You can also do it on a side angle.
A side angle, eh? He's gonna hit me. Okay. I think you're just supposed to open the bail. If I'm open. Grab the line and cast.